Welcome to PsuPedia. I am Ramji Meena. For PSU employees, financial security is not created by chance. It is built through discipline, time, and structured financial decisions. In today's session, we will discuss a very practical and important topic: how PSU employees can build a strong retirement corpus gradually, without financial stress and without unrealistic expectations. Let us begin. Most PSU employees are responsible professionals. They manage work, family, and commitments with discipline. Yet when it comes to retirement planning, one silent question often stops progress. Itna bada retirement amount kaise banega? This question creates fear, and fear delays action. The truth is simple. Retirement corpus is not built in one step. It is built through small, consistent actions over time. When people hear numbers like 1 crore rupees or 2 crore rupees, they immediately feel it is impossible. The problem is not the number. The problem is looking at the destination instead of focusing on the process. Retirement planning fails when people try to jump to the end result instead of starting with small steps. The most common mistake is waiting for the right time. Many PSU employees think EMI खत्म होने के बाद शुरू करेंगे, income थोड़ी और बढ़ जाए, responsibilities कम हो जाए. Reality is harsh but true. The right time never arrives, only time passes. And time is the most expensive cost in retirement planning. Let us simplify retirement building. A systematic investment plan is not about big amounts, it is about habit. Even a modest SIP, 3,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, 7,000 rupees per month, when done consistently for 20 to 25 years, can create a meaningful retirement corpus. The power lies in time discipline compounding, not in one-time decisions. PSU employees have a major advantage: income stability. Stable income allows regular monthly investing, calm decision-making, long-term consistency. SIPs convert salary stability into financial strength. Markets will fluctuate, but SIP discipline keeps progress steady. A common concern is my current SIP amount is small. This is where step-up SIP plays a crucial role. Step-up SIP means starting small, increasing investment gradually as income grows. This approach reduces pressure today, improves outcomes tomorrow, keeps planning realistic. You do not need to start big. You need to start and grow gradually. This point must be clearly understood. Starting early matters more than starting big. A smaller SIP started earlier often outperforms the larger SIP started late. Time allows compounding to accelerate volatility, to smooth out discipline, turning to confidence. Gradual retirement planning brings peace of mind. When investments grow steadily, panic reduces, confidence increases, financial decisions improve. Retirement planning should reduce stress, not increase anxiety. PSU careers are built over time. Promotions, benefits, and growth all follow long-term discipline. Retirement planning works best when aligned with this same mindset. More monthly actions taken patiently create powerful long-term results. Retirement planning does not mean sacrificing today's life. It means structured spending, disciplined saving, balanced living. A good plan protects today's lifestyle, tomorrow's dignity. Please remember this clearly. Retirement corpus is not built with shortcuts. It is built with time, plus consistency, plus discipline. Starting amount matters less. Starting mindset matters more. Retirement planning does not require shortcuts. It requires clarity and consistency. If you are a PSU employee, remember, small disciplined steps taken today create financial confidence tomorrow. If you found this session useful, please like the video, share it with your PSU colleagues, and subscribe to PsuPedia for more practical and structured financial guidance. I am Ramji Meena. Thank you for watching.